Happy birthday, Arnel Huevos. At sa lahat na may birthday ngayon, Pinoy Henyo.
Birthday din ni Mabel.
Mabel at si...
Si Mabel ni Maro.
Maro. Ah, si
No.
Flower Girl.
Birthday din ng tatay ko. Batiin mo. Nanonood ngayon.
Oy, kung saan man ang tatay ni Vic. Uy, kung saan mang ano dyan.
Kahit wag ka na magparamdam, okay lang.
Paulo Ballesteros. Okay.
Si Paolo.
Oo.
Ibibay Paolo.
Hinahandog natin sa kanya itong Pinoy Henyo ngayon.
Yan.
Okay.
Okay. Ayos. Ito, baka may pa-birthday itong ating stewardess na si Saida.
Ba't kayo gumano?
Happy birthday.
Hi, sir. Can I make bati also?
Oh, you wanna make bati? Okay.
I wanna greet my best friend, former Evie Bell. Happy birthday.
Former
Si Bel.
Evie Babe. Nasaan na si Mabel? Mabel.
Whatever happened
Bel lang,
to
Bel.
Ano nangyari kay Bel?
She's gonna pursue her studies in a culinary school.
Oh,
Kuli-
pursuing
Is
her
that
studies. huh?
situated in Kulikuli?
No. Culinary.
Culinary.
It's about culination, you know?
Yes, sir. About food.
It's her birthday also today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, happy birthday, Bel.
Okay.
So, what's our birthday food?
I prepared kwek-kwek.
Oh, that's your favorite. That's your favorite. And
May I bite your kwek-kwek?
Sure, sir.
it's maasim, huh? Smells maasim.
Is your
Because
kwek-kwek
of that.
clean?
My kwek-kwek is clean. I washed it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,